you must answer each question to continue the game, even if you don't know the right answer. You can only choose your answer once, so only click when you're absolutely sure, as there's no going back. However, you do have 2 extra chances per game. If you get questions wrong, you can still stay in the game by using one of your 2 new life cards. They will be used automatically and are gained by inviting someone, hopefully a friend, to join in the game. As before, you cannot use your new life cards for the last question. All extra or unused new life cards will be stored in your iQB account for future use. Also, we are giving you more opportunities to take part in other ways, so keep a good lookout. Right, I think it's time for the show. Are you ready to rumble? Well, here we go. But before we start, I just want to say that some of today's questions may seem a little bit tougher, but if you look at the answers, it should be clear. So let's get started. TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 1. Question 1. In the gaming and app industry, what is DAU? Is it A, daily anticipated users, B, daily active users, or C, don't ask Uno? When you work with video games, social apps, or any type of program, you need ways to measure how successful your product is. One of the most important things you can measure is the number of people who use your app each day. This is the daily active user number, and so our answer for this question is answer B. User retention is also really important too. So, congratulations to the 1,732 of you who are still in the game with us. It looks like you guys did pretty well on that one. So let's go on to the next one. TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 2. Question 2. Which of these websites focuses on game developers? Is it A, www.google.com, B, https://gamasutra.com, C, www.wired.com? If you are looking to get into the gaming industry as a professional game developer or a publisher, the answer to this question is a really good site to learn about the industry. You can go here to make connections. If you start writing blog posts here, you might even get noticed by big game studios. This is basically the site that a lot of people in the game industry read every day. The answer is B, gamasutra.com. So congratulations to the 1,649 of you who are still in the game with us. That was a bit of a tricky one, so I'm glad you guys got it. TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 3. Question 3. The largest conference globally for game developers is A, Game Developer Conference, or GDC, GaryCon, which is B, or C, the Consumer Electronics Show, or CES. If you are a game developer and want to present your game to the industry, one of the best conferences to join is the answer to this question. But if you like role-playing games, then you may also like GaryCon, which is a conference held in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, and celebrates the father of all role-playing games, Gary Gygax. Our answer to this question is A, GDC. If you build games and can only attend one conference, that's the one you want. So congratulations to the 1,520 of you who are still in the game with us. So we've just had 3 questions all related to game development. How did you do? Now remember, today's jackpot of 1 million XMX is provided by Xmax. Xmax is a blockchain entertainment ecosystem with a set of tools, the Xmax Studio SDK, which helps developers create decentralized applications and develop their own blockchain projects. And Xmax includes a 3D game engine, smart contract templates, and a simple JavaScript-based programming language, webx.js, to help new developers build projects without complicated coding. That's just part of what we do here at Xmax. So I'm sure you're going to be ready for our next 3 questions, which are Xmax questions. TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 4. Question 4. How many supernodes voted for Xmax on Huobi Hadax? Is it A, 200, B, 50, or C, 20? Xmax first debuted on Hadax on June 6, 2018. We chose to start with Hadax, which is a professional platform belonging to one of the largest exchanges in the world, Huobi.pro. And what's special about Hadax is that you have supernodes, which are investment companies that basically decide whether or not to endorse your projects. If they like them, then they do. If they don't, then they might not. Our team was really excited when Xmax set the record with 20 supernodes. And just for reference, the previous record was 14. The answer to this question is C. Congratulations to the 1,225 of you who are still in the game with us. Congrats, guys. So, TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 5. Question 5. Xmax uses blank standard tokens to represent game items. Is it A, ERC20 type tokens, B, ERC721 type tokens, or C, a magic monkey? This is talking about smart contract standards, and these contracts can determine how tokens work. So the answer is B, ERC721 tokens, and which are essentially a set of rules that establishes a system for unique tokens. Since these tokens cannot be divided, they can represent items for gaming. And the important thing to note is that each in-game item is represented by a unique token. You can control these, you can send them to your wallet. So congratulations to the 790 of you who are still with us. And I just want to note that Xmax isn't necessarily using ERC721 tokens, but this will be the type, style, or sort of an idea. It's the best way to give you an idea of what it'll be like. So TikTok, XMX is on the clock. Time for question 6. Question 6. What is the main programming language for Xmax dApp smart contracts? Is it A, HTML5, B, JavaScript-based JavaScript-based language, or C, Golang? So smart contracts are one of the most popular buzzwords in the blockchain industry and have helped put Ethereum on the map as a paradigm among blockchain projects. They are programs which can run over a blockchain. However, writing even a simple smart contract is not easy and often requires C++-like programming languages. Our mission with Xmax is to make it easier for developers to build decentralized applications. So the answer is B. We're creating templates for smart contracts. We're allowing developers to write them in a JavaScript-based language. And hopefully by doing this, we'll make this more accessible to a global pool of dApp creators. So congratulations to the 760 of you who won the game tonight. You will all be taking home an equal share of the 1 million XMX, which is currently 1,315.78 XMX each, currently roughly a value of $3.61 US. Congratulations to all of you. And remember, you always have a chance to win with the fortune wheel, and this is a feature we will be constantly improving based on your feedback in the IQB Telegram group and social media channels. And if you missed out tonight, don't worry. We will have the 5th round of the Xmax special airdrop tomorrow, July 9th. We will be giving away another 1 million XMX jackpot, so be brave and try your luck in the next round. And if you enjoy playing IQB quizzes, please give us a 5-star rating and remember to invite your friends. If you have any feedback for IQB, please leave a message on IQB's social media channels. IQB and Xmax are here to serve you. Also, during the 5th round, we will be giving away 3 Xmax t-shirts from our team. All you need to do to win is watch us live using your IQB app, and we will announce the winners at the end of round 5. We need to ship these shirts all over the world, so if you don't win this time, be patient, and hopefully we will have an on-the-ground Xmax event near you in the future. See you next time, and let the rockets soar!